and we were here for 2 nights. It's a very nice, like a cottage house. This is what they call a pension house. So there's 2 bedrooms inside. And nice area. This is what we stayed last night. I am now at the city streets of Jeju, and today we're going to for this eel restaurant.
看它的尾巴，它刚刚还有一个翘起来，你看到没有？它是圆圆的，那个是它的尾巴在那个排风那边。对，我们要认住，以后我们就分得出来。然后它的头小小的。
This is almost the same eel that we caught in New Zealand. And after speaking to the owner, I showed him the video of what we have caught the last time. He says it's edible, and this is the one. So guess what? The next round we'll be there. Maggie will slaughter them. Ha ha ha! So we're having the eel. Jeju.